Hi guys, I'm October, but you can call me Toby. Thanks for coming to spend some time with me. Today's video will look and feel a little bit different than what I usually make. This time I'm filming in a different location for majority of the video and I'm not on my own. I have a little friend with me. My son and I filmed a session together creating. Thought I could share that with you because he's wonderful and I think he's very funny. But I procured some air dry clay. I had 2 of these tubs. This one's got most of the clay in it at this point. I figured with this we could have some fun and create some characters. Now, the Mario movie, Super Mario Galaxy, it came out at the start of April, which was right at Easter time. And my husband and I thought it would be an excellent opportunity to take our son to the cinema for the first time and have him actually definitely sit through the movie and also be very engaged with it because he has watched the Mario movie, I don't know how many times at this point. He can quote most of it. He loves it to bits. Yeah, we used the air dry clay and worked on some sculptures. As anyone who has a little child, a 3-year-old, as anyone who has one knows that nothing ever goes to plan when you're doing something with them. But with him, it's always a lot of fun, even if it goes haywire. So I hope you enjoy watching us create. At the end, I will make an additional sculpture and we'll see how everything turns out. Let's hop into it. How about we watch the trailer for the movie? You want to watch?
Yeah.
There's a huge universe out there.
Yoshi's in this one.
Look, he's got it.
Baby Bowser has the paintbrush.
Why?
Bowser Jr. Like in Mario Sunshine, which you've been playing. Oh, what are those ones?
What are they?
Ooh,
That's Princess Luna.
Rosalina, yeah.
Rosalina.
Oh, Baby Mario.
What, Baby Mario?
My gosh.
Did you see him?
Yeah, I did. Did you see him?
Yes, I did. Where was he?
Cool, so that's the one we're gonna go see. So that's what we're making some stuff from today, buddy, hey.
Hello.
Do you have anything in particular that you want to make from it?
Yes! How can he get it out of here? How can he get this out?
Should we make a leaf too and some mushrooms?
What happens if you get an acorn?
An acorn. Well, the acorn does it too, I guess.
What does the purple mushroom do?
Well, he's poisoned, so he hurts.
Why?
Because he's poisoned. Alrighty, well, we've got some images up. So now
What
we
do
can...
the green mushrooms do?
The green mushrooms give you a life, don't they?
How can we turn into different characters?
Well, we can't in real life. We can just pretend though. We can use our imagination, can't we?
Yeah. Mom, do you remember Mario on the front and he got the blue mushroom, he got the purple mushroom, and he put it on and it made him purple. He didn't get hurt.
I don't remember that one. Was that a game or was that in the movie?
It was stashed in my phone.
Oh, we have air dry clay, don't we? This is what we're going to make some Mario stuff with. We already had a little bit of a turn, didn't we? So we made this little penguin and he came apart. So I did glue him back together. I just used fabric glue on him. And Mr. Goomba, we did him and penguins, so they came out pretty cute.
Oh.
What do you want to...
Why do they have head and no neck? Yeah,
Because they're a kind of mushroom.
Why are they kind of mushroom?
Just like the toads are a kind of mushroom.
I want to turn into a Goomba.
You want to turn into a Goomba. You did that very well. Good job opening.
I know how to do that very good.
What are you going to make with purple?
I'm going to turn it into red.
You're going to turn purple into red. I'm not sure about
But
that
how
one.
can it get red?
I don't think we have a red, do we? There's no red in here. That's a bit of a problem.
But what do the big fat mushrooms do?
I don't know, which one's the big fat mushroom?
That one. I said.
This one? I have no idea, baby.
I think they turn you very big.
Maybe. It might be from a game Mummy hasn't played. Well, I've lost my little helper. He's off playing video games now, Mario Sunshine. But I'll keep working on this and see, I don't know if I can turn it into something at all resembling a superstar. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Not the best thing I've ever created, not the worst. But that's a little superstar. But my son has something new to add to his collection of things to play with. I might come back later since he's off doing something else now. Perhaps I'll make a luma using some of these other bright colours. Yeah, we'll see what progresses when I come back. Alrighty, it is a couple of days later from making this superstar with my son, and I just figured that I would make a luma since that was something I wanted to make. I did try and make one with him later. It's just not quite right. I would like to make it a bit bigger too. So I might try again, see if I can make something that I'm more happy with, because this is a little eerie to look at. But we have the superstar, we have the Goomba, and yeah, I think I might make a luma and we'll see how we go. I might make the acorn that turns Mario into the Tanuki form. It's one of my son's favorites. He loves to play Super Mario Brothers. I think it's the second. It's the one on the Switch. He loves to play the Super Mario Brothers. I might make that as well, but I'm going to focus first on making a bigger, more appropriately sized luma. Maybe the same size as this guy. So let's see how that goes. that's it for today, guys. But overall, I quite enjoyed using the air dry clay. It's very different to polymer clay, and I'm not really sure on how best to use it yet. So if you use it regularly and you're familiar with it and you know like tips, tricks, how best to use it, best tools to use with it, how do you get better gradients in the colors and things than what I was able to get with these two guys, because I would love to know, I would love to learn more. If you know any more about this than I do, which I'm sure some of you do, pop it down in the comments below, or if you've seen good videos and things, link them down below because I'd like to learn. I do really like the texture of how this comes out when it's fully dry. So this Goombra I made quite a while ago, and he has like a velvety texture almost to him. And on him I learned you cannot use water too smooth after the drying process is like really begun. You just end up with this messy look. So you know, I learned things as I tried making things. I do think even just over the course of a couple of days there's improvements there. This guy definitely looks a lot better than this one. As always, follow me over on Instagram. I do posts and more information and stuff over there, and I'll run polls over there for upcoming videos. And if you're able to and would like to, I do have a Patreon set up now. So I have 3 tiers, and across those tiers there are different benefits, but overall there is free pattern a month on one of the tiers. There is discounts on anything that I will be selling or patterns that I will put out for purchase, merch once I finally get there. There will be discounts on some of those tiers as well for those things. There will be priority purchasing for creations and things that I make, because a lot of things will be one-offs. There's also a big Discord community, so we can connect and you'll get behind the scenes, you'll get work in progress and voting power over like color selections, or perhaps what I make in a video. If I have an idea but I don't have a definite what I want to make, you'll get to help me make those decisions as well. So if you're able to, if you would like to, hop over to Patreon and check that out. Yeah, as always, if you make anything similar, tag me in it over on Instagram because I would love to see. But I hope you're all doing well and had a lovely Easter with your families, or with whoever you celebrate Easter with if you do. And I'll see you in the next video. Hit subscribe down below so you don't miss out. I'll see you next time. Bye.